Okay, this is me trying to figure out why my ignition lock cylinder is not engaging my ignition switch. Now, as you can see, that lever seems to be going back and forth just fine. The spring is pushing it back. It wasn't doing that before I took everything apart. I turned the switch to the on position and it would just stay there. It wouldn't spring back. Took everything apart to look at it, and now it's springing back. What I'm trying to figure out is why it's not actuating the lever that goes down to the ignition switch. How does this lever that's moving move the rod that goes to the ignition switch? I believe this is the rod that goes down there. You push in and it clicks the ignition switch, I guess to crank over the starter. How does this move this? That is the rod I'm talking about, right? It goes down to that white and green switch. You just barely see the tip of that rod going in. That's the rod in question that I need to have moved, right?